What is polarity in multimeter usage? Imagine you're trying to find out which side of a battery is positive and which is negative. That's where understanding polarity in multimeter usage comes into play. When working with electrical circuits, knowing the direction of current and voltage is key. Polarity simply refers to the positive and negative connections you make with your multimeter probes. When measuring direct current voltage, connecting the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal will give you a positive reading. If you accidentally swap the probes, the multimeter will show a negative voltage, indicating the polarity is reversed. This is important because it helps you understand the true direction of current flow in a circuit. In electrical engineering, correct polarity is essential for accurate measurements and safety. For example, when testing a battery, proper polarity confirms the positive and negative terminals are correctly identified. If you connect the probes incorrectly, you might get a negative reading, which could be confusing or lead to mistakes. When measuring alternating current, polarity is less about positive and negative and more about identifying the hot and neutral wires. This is vital for safety, especially when working with outlets or wiring. In practical terms, when measuring direct current voltage, polarity determines whether your reading is positive or negative. This helps you understand the potential difference and current direction. When testing diodes or light-emitting diodes, polarity is crucial because these components only allow current to flow in one direction. The multimeter's diode test mode uses polarity to identify the anode and cathode by checking if the component conducts or blocks current. Polarity testing also involves verifying wiring connections before powering up a circuit. For example, checking the hot and neutral wires in an outlet with a multimeter set to alternating current voltage ensures the wiring is correct. Incorrect wiring can cause safety hazards like electric shocks or fires. Visual inspection of wiring color codes, such as black or red for hot and white for neutral, can help confirm proper connections before measurement. In summary, polarity in multimeter usage is about matching the probes to the correct positive and negative points in a circuit. Doing this ensures your measurements are accurate and safe. It helps verify wiring correctness, component orientation, and circuit functionality. Whether you are troubleshooting a power supply or testing a circuit, understanding and correctly applying polarity is a fundamental part of electrical measurement.